Found the bike of your dreams? Mike's Bikes has you covered no matter where you are with the Wheelsmith Gold Label Assembly process. Each bike is tuned and professionally packed in our custom bike boxes by our Wheelsmith certified technicians to ensure your new bike arrives straight from the showroom floor. Let's get started. The tools required are a utility knife, a pair of diagonal cutters, a torque wrench, a set of metric Allen wrenches or multi-tool, and a pedal wrench. First, let's get this box open. Remove the wheels and set aside. Remove your new bike and use the box as a platform for the first step of assembly. Do be careful as the box can be a bit wobbly. Use your diagonal cutters to cut the zip ties. It's best to leave a little space when cutting. Trust us, this isn't how you want the first scratch to appear on your new bike. Locate the small box with the Mike's Bike sticker on it. This will have all the important documentation and small parts from the manufacturer. On some bikes, the rear derailleur may need to be reinstalled. Pro tip, you can use the box as a stand for the cockpit and front wheel assembly. Now rotate the stem clockwise and remove the faceplate. Install the handlebars so the front brake housing is furthest away from the bike. No need to torque down these bolts quite yet, we'll do that in a little bit. Remove the front wheel through axle and brake stop. Remove the plastic protective discs from the wheels. Be careful not to pop out the spacers on the hubs. If you do, they just pop back in. Install the front wheel and through axle. Now, install the rear wheel. Same as the front, but you'll need to assist the rear derailleur over the cassette. It's easiest to have the rear derailleur in the highest gear. Now, let's get the handlebars in the proper position. Tighten the faceplate bolts in an X pattern. Use your torque wrench to torque down the bolts according to the torque specs printed on the stem. Now torque down the pinch bolts on the stem. Raise your dropper post, torque down the seat collar with your torque wrench. Remove any remaining packaging from the bike. There is a specific right and left pedal. Thread the pedals on by hand towards the front of the bike, then torque down each pedal with an Allen wrench or pedal wrench. That's it. Now it's time to ride.